been so long since
I just want to do a quick little vlog. This is not date night. Date night is actually on Thursdays, but I've been summoned. Yes. Tam. What? Where we at? It's alright. We're gonna get him. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Who name is that? Triple OG Lee. I didn't get to record him. What was that? Deuce it. Y'all saw it? I didn't get it. I don't know how I didn't get it, but that was a strike. What you almost witnessed was a strike. I approve it. See that? Right there? That's right there. That's a strike.
You said what now?
I got a little too happy.
Yeah, I got a little cocky, didn't you?
I got my pride got in the way, but I'm gonna come back. Let's go.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that? 2 strikes. What's that? Yes! I'm rooting for you.
No, you ain't.
Psych. What? I know you lying. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Please. You're looking for more balls. You're looking for more balls?
Do what I did last time.
What's that? Go ahead, pray.
I'm about to pray on
You better. I am, because that's what competitive people do. Please, witness this. He putting his music in. Wow. Somebody has to be pumped and primed. Look at him. Go Pootie. Psych. Ain't on your team. Let me show you. What's that? What was that? What was that? Yeah. I'm gonna do the split. That's me on the bottom, that's him on the top.
OG Lee.
So,
got one more.
I got one more. One hand. About to record. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that, man? What? Come on. Stop playing with me. What's that, y'all? Game over. Game over. Ha! Round 2. What he got? Oh, he ain't gonna play with the girls. He ain't gonna play with the girls. What we got? He ready now. He ready now. Oh, he ain't come to play with it. Alright, since he ain't come to play with it. I think he doing something. He think he doing something a little bit. He got me just a little bit. But it looks like I'm about to come back. What was that? Nothing.
What you about to get?
Alright, bet. It's time to turn up.
You ain't tried nothing. Watch out.
Watch this.
You ain't gonna do nothing. Miss. I told you.
Nice. Go ahead. Miss it. He turning up now. Turning up now. Come on. You ain't got nothing on me. Get your footwork right. You ain't got nothing on me. Wait. Hold on now. I know you see that form.
Oh no.
See it? This my Jesus year. Playing with me. Oh, okay. Wait. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm so tired. Woo! He done came back, y'all. I talk too much trash. Sight, man, we ain't gonna never not. Man, listen. Come on now. Oh, we tired. Let's go. Thank you. I needed it.
Uh-oh.
Bruh, please stop.
You told me to get it.
Please stop talking to me.
You told.
Nigga,
You told.
My arm get tired.
I didn't touch you.
After winning like that, you know, sometimes
I didn't touch you. Come on.
Tired.
Woo!
Hey guys, do me a favor really quick. Go to my Instagram, press that follow button. I want you guys to follow me on my social media as well as Facebook. It is Conscious Mind. Go follow Conscious Mind. We will be doing ear candy Saturdays and ear candy Wednesdays. Saturday at 12 p.m. and Wednesday at 8 p.m. Can't wait to see you.
What happened? Here you go.
I don't know. I'm tired. After you win like that, I mean, sometimes you get tired. Yeah, don't keep talking trash.
You should have touched me.
Nah, I ain't touching you. Oh man, he cheated me, bruh. He cheated me. Sorry. What'd you say? You.
The mighty has fallen.
But you cheated.
I didn't.
You did.
I didn't.
I swear you didn't cheat.
I did.
I swear you didn't cheat.
I didn't. I did the same thing you
Cheater.
did. Mine just worked. You went from 118 to 62. I mean 60.
I still killed you in the first round. I literally let him have it. You know, sometimes you gotta do that, ladies. Sometimes you just gotta let him have it. Sometimes you just gotta let him have it. You know, ego get in the way. You gotta let him have it sometimes. This is what happened to you. I still killed him. I killed him in the first round. Look at him, basking in his glory.
I'm not. I'm saying she went from 118 to 60.
But you was getting gutters left and right in the first
Just
round.
like you did at the end of the game.
And because you kept praying against me.
Look how many gutters that is. That look like
I ain't showing them that.
That look look like a passer.
Nah.
She look like a look at little shit. Down there with yours that look like the interstate.
He's still talking trash.
Why we on the interstate, baby?
What you talking about?
You see it, look, all we go.
He said while we on the interstate. Can't see
It's
it.
about to come back, no worries. It is,
Yeah.
look, interstate.
Passing lane.